Hey guys, it's Susanna for T-Mobile. Today we're unboxing the Galaxy Book S, T-Mobile's first LTE laptop. With its slim and lightweight design, you'll be able to take it everywhere and take advantage of T-Mobile's nationwide network. Now, let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the new Galaxy Book S, the T-Mobile SIM card and documentation, a USB-C to C charging cable, a fast charger, and an adapter. Let's check out its key features. The Galaxy Book S is less than half an inch thick and has a 13.3-inch Full HD touchscreen. The Book S has a long-lasting battery that gives you up to 25 hours of usage, so don't worry about finding an outlet. It has a sleek finish and even has a fingerprint sensor. The Book S runs on Windows 10 and has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8cx processor. The Galaxy Book S has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage with a micro SD card slot. And best of all, the Galaxy Book S rocks T-Mobile's nationwide LTE network, so you'll stay connected on the go. With the Galaxy Book S, you'll be able to work, play, and stream. For more information, check out your favorite T-Mobile store or T-Mobile.com. This has been Susanna for T-Mobile. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.